Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to highlight an entire row when a due date is today in Google Sheets. Perfect for daily task tracking. Let's jump in. First, select your full table. Click Format. Choose Conditional Formatting. Under Format Cells If, choose Custom Formula Is. Paste this formula. Choose a color. Click Done. Any row with today's date is now highlighted. Quick breakdown. $B locks the date column. 2 lets the row change. Today always returns today's date. If the date in column B equals today, the row lights up. The formulas I'm using are in the description. Bonus. Only highlight when a date exists. That's it. You now have automatic today. Only highlighting. Like and subscribe for more fast Google Sheets tips. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. See you in the next one.